Hi everyone, it's Cara Whedbee, your favorite pescavini vegan here for Meatless Monday recipe. This Meatless Monday is the week of Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna make something easy and it's getting colder, so something warm, so a soup. And I got it from this cookbook I've used before for the lasagna soup recipe, which I'll link up here. But this is 5 Ingredients or Less Slow Cooker Cookbook by Stephanie O'Day. All right, so the recipe we're doing is chicken and wild rice soup right here, and I'll put a picture of it in the video. So I already have in my slow cooker, by the way, this is either 78 hours on low or 5 hours or so on high, so I've got it on high. I sprayed down the liner of my slow cooker with just extra virgin olive oil spray. And I've already rinsed and drained the 2/3 cup wild rice, and I put it in with the sprayed olive oil and mix that together, and it's been toasting for about like 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't say to do that, but that just helps the rice have better flavor and cook faster. So I got that, I've got it on high, and now we're gonna move on with the recipe. So we need, it says 2 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves, but since this is Meatless Monday, we're using 2 cans of chickpeas. So remember, when you think chicken, think chickpeas. So we're gonna use 2 cans that I have drained. We've talked about that before as well. All right, so that is our chicken for this Meatless Monday, chicken wild rice soup. Then it says 8 cups. 8 cups or 2 boxes of chicken broth. Obviously, we're not using chicken broth, we're using organic vegetable stock. This one from Kroger. Looks like someone has used my cup measure, so it must be in the dishwasher. So I'll have to use a 3/4 of a cup and a 1/4 of a cup. Math. 1, 2, almost 2. I'll do 8 of each. Box. Get out the second box. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not quite 8, so get one more box. I had like a partial box left over, so that's why I used it. So normally it would just be 2 full boxes, but you know. So 8. Now I'm gonna do 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that's 8 cups of veggie broth. Then I put the leftover broth in the fridge. Next is 2/3 of a cup uncooked wild rice, which I've already put in there, as I said. Let's see, 1 yellow onion diced. Again, I have my frozen onion that's already diced and chopped, and we're gonna put that in there. About 3/4 of a cup to a cup is 1 onion. Then the last thing is 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. This is a secret ingredient, guys. Make sure you put this in here. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1, 2. Okay, last thing, she said in the book, she always kind of has a note section at the bottom. And so she said in the note section, if you have carrots or celery in the house, to throw those in there as well. I do. So I took 2 carrots and chopped them up and 2 stalks of celery and chopped them up. So we're going to put that in here too. All right, that should be everybody in the pot. Let's stir it up. Lid on, and it's going to cook on high for 5 hours roughly. My slow cooker cooks warmer, so it probably won't take 5 hours, but when it's done, I will show you the finished product. Also, she says to add salt and pepper as desired at the end, so I'll have to taste it and see how much I want, but we'll do that when it's done. So see you then. Bye. Okay, this is the finished product of the, well, chickpea with rice soup in the slow cooker. It is delicious. I just added some ground salt, sea salt, and pepper. You can see the rice is done. It was about 4.5 hours in my slow cooker on high, even though the recipe said 5, it's done. So 4.5 hours. I went a couple of times around with salt and pepper shakers, and there's the chickpeas and the carrots and the celery that I put in there. So it's all done. And I have to say that balsamic vinegar makes it. You must use that. So tasty, and it smells delicious. Hope you guys try it. Talk to you later. Bye.